What is up, Theta homies? It is your boy Justin Passetti back again with another Theta token video, another Theta token update. Just a friendly reminder, if you're new to the channel trying to find as much Theta news, updates, NFTs, or any kind of Theta partnerships, definitely please hit that like and subscribe button. Definitely check out all the links down below in the description for all the links I post in this video, along with my Imagine Replay referral link if you're trying to earn as much TNT20 token, especially on the Theta blockchain. In addition to my Theta Guardian Node summary page, if you're trying to earn as much T-Fuel, stake your Theta tokens to the community, help out the channel, help yourself, and especially just watching your own net worth grow. This is never financial advice, but definitely check out that summary code down below or the QR code here if you are trying to stake as much Theta tokens to the blockchain as possible. Now going on to the news, we're going to start on the Explorer page like we normally do and then go on to the news from there. Seeing that the current price of Theta is at that $1 mark, as well as T-Fuel at that 4-cent mark, and T-Drop going to that 0.003 mark. I believe it was at that 0.0017 mark not too long ago. It seems like based on the making of this video, it's increasing. It's almost doubled in the last couple of days, especially since filming in the making of this video. But just another reminder, none of these videos are financial advice, and some of these videos are pre-recorded ahead of time to work out with my schedule. Going on to X and finding the news for you guys, starting with Mitch, seeing that in addition to Theta Network, Edge Cloud 2024 will see advances in Theta Video API functionality, more subchain and TNT20 launches, and extension of T-Drop and Web3 Theater functionality. More details in the roadmap blog below. Going on the Theta Network, seeing the introducing of the roadmap for 2024, featuring the latest on Edge Cloud's upcoming releases and everything else in store for Theta in the upcoming years. So much brand new news I love sharing for you guys, and I'm really excited. There's been a lot of news in the last 2 months, especially in January and February for Theta, so it's just something to look forward to. Of course, it's difficult to say because we're always looking forward to something, especially my videos, but these type of updates allow me to make these videos for you guys to make news. So if there's always a video or at least 3 videos every week, it's a pretty good indication that there's always going to be some sort of update. They may not be necessarily the greatest news, but it's still some sort of news that I do try to provide. So if you haven't yet, please hit that like and subscribe button for any kind of Theta news. Going on to the article, we're going to see that, and also to start off before the article, I want to introduce seeing what does H1 mean for those who are not too tech savvy like myself, because I am in nursing. The H1 is an HTML hypertext markup language heading tag that indicates the main topic on a web page. Feel like that's going to be some valuable news for the article that was posted on Theta Network about the roadmap. Looks like here's the introduction. This was posted about 6 days ago, so at the end of January of 2024, about a 4-minute read, so definitely bear with me. We'll try to read some of it and highlight some of the bigger points and not read too much into detail. Theta Network is poised for the biggest year yet with the introduction of Theta Edge Cloud in 2024, the first hybrid cloud computing platform built on a fully distributed edge architecture inspired by our collaboration with Google last year, creating automated video to text and in response to resource-intensive AI use cases from Theta ecosystem projects like Levita and FedML. Theta Edge Cloud combines the best of cloud and edge architecture to serve emerging AI use cases in video, media, and entertainment. In addition to Edge Cloud, the coming year will see advances in Theta Video API functionality, more subchains TNT20 launches, and extension of T-Drop functionality in both Theta Drop and other partner platforms, like it was mentioned earlier on the previous post, not tweets anymore, I guess. Seen here's the H1 that I wanted to mention. The Edge Cloud Next Gen Edge Network, Release 1, Theta Hackathon, some of the new adoption metrics, subchain stats, support for new ecosystem projects, subchain, and the new TNT20 staking, Theta Video API enhancements. So seeing here, if you want to take a quick pause, you're more than welcome to. I do want to go on to a little bit more on the article. H1 of 2024 will be highlighted by the first release of Edge Cloud, the next generation, the Theta Edge Network, and with cloud-hosted nodes operated by Theta Labs. These nodes will run video and image generative AI models, video and other modeling tasks in the preparation for being rolled out to partners in the Theta community to operate. Elite Edge node users will also have the option to run a new Elite Plus Booster module to perform compute jobs for Edge Clouds if they have staked 500,000 T-Fuel. So meaning, I believe to my knowledge, choosing certain jobs that you would like to choose from and to incorporate your type of platform to help those type of businesses run more smoothly. But as of right now, I believe that is not out yet or released in the making of this video. The next Theta Hackathon will also give live quarter 2 with submission tracks for the Metachain, Edge Cloud, and more. Several brand and new subchains and their associated TNT20 tokens will also be going live, supported by new metrics and stats available to track the growth of Theta metachain and ecosystem projects. Theta Video API will also roll out several advanced features, including a metrics dashboard and an addition of self-serve studio level NFT digital rights management, allowing any user to take advantage of the same NFT DRM tools that Decrypt, Metacanes, and World of Women use for their events. So essentially extending this type of invitation and opportunity for more people. Here's the H2 of 2024. I try not to go into too much into the future, guys, because you never know, plans may change, especially white papers. So just a nice mention that they do highlight their target goals for those type of checkpoints, but it may not always come to true. It may change a little bit and adjust based on what is going on with the market, technology, things like that. Here's the number one bullet point though. The next gen Edge Network release 2 enable partners to set up and run hosted nodes in their own cloud data content, support for advanced job prioritization and opt-out, summary reports, analytics of the jobs completed, and skipping this over, fully decentralized Theta Video API for DRM, transcoding and delivery, the next-gen Theta Web3 Theater integrated into Theta Drop and partner platforms, and extend T-Drop use case to partner marketplaces. Ending this paragraph for the H2 of 2024, Theta Web3 Theater, a new video experience that natively integrates Theta NFT DRM, will also go live on Theta Drop as well as other partner marketplaces. This will coincide with T-Drop's functionality expanding to the Theta partner platform to increase usage of Theta NFTs throughout the ecosystem, and it's just nice using that utility. I believe that's why you see in the beginning of this video with the price, it did jump a little bit with T-Drop. So seeing that type of bump due to the news that we are reading here, it's pretty promising, or at least hopeful to think about that these are being connected somehow. And it's nice seeing that type of relation. Of course, guys, always do your own research before investing, but when I'm reading these articles and then actually connecting them back to the current objective and the price of the utility of it, in this case it's T-Drop, you're seeing the price increase based on this news that's being related to it. That's just my own connection to what I am seeing, guys. Always definitely do your own research like I just said, but comment down below what you guys think about that. If you think that connection is legitimate and something to look forward to in the long run for T-Drop, even if you don't invest in T-Drop, definitely put your thoughts and comments down below. I feel like it's always welcome in the community, people's type of perception. Also, here's a little bit more information for 2025. I won't dive into too much detail, but here's a quick pause if you want to read this. I'll scroll down just a little bit more just so you can see the entirety of the article. So if you want to take a quick pause right here, you're more than welcome to, and just take a quick read for yourself. But I will also read this end of it, seeing the Theta Roadmap is always evolving and will continue to be updated along the way as new use cases and products emerge. But this update is the blueprint for what Theta's development in the upcoming year of 2024. The network will continue to grow and meet new use cases with the help of community running edge nodes, developing ecosystem projects, and building the future on the network. Kind of basically what I just mentioned earlier, that things could change. Things could change. There's an outline, and things could change based on the outline and what's going on in the world. Going on a little bit more into introductions for other of the projects that what I was just mentioning. Imagine replacing that Hollywood accounting is broken system. Streaming services don't provide in-depth or timely analytics to filmmakers. Until now, thanks to RPlay blockchain, tracking video analytics across streaming services, RPlay brings transparency to murky industry. That is, I feel like the next step for Web3 altogether is incorporating and providing that insight for the community members and those film creators on the platform. Another thing I also want to mention, since we're talking about creators, seeing that Rob Feldman even says, get ready for adrenaline-fueled ride. The CYKO KO pilot will premiere on Rewarded TV Saturday, February 17th at 11 a.m. Eastern Time. Pour yourself a bowl of CYKO KO as the breakfast of champions and buckle up for the breakfast bonanza filled with daring stunts, epic showdowns, and hilarious escapades. Don't miss the most thrilling start to your weekend. Tune in and let the adventure begin. Smart move on them for delaying the pilot episode to be the weekend after the Super Bowl. So it's just nice seeing that. Hopefully there's going to be something more impactful in terms of just seeing more things develop on the platform. What I mean by impactful, but it's nice seeing we'll have Super Bowl if you watch football, or like, I guess if you want to watch the halftime show, if you just want to watch the halftime show. But anyways, disregard that. Going on to Saturday, just seeing the more news for the 17th. At least seeing that Theta Network is continuing to develop, especially with those current partnerships that is already made since like 2021, 2022. Continuing on with all the news for the current partnerships, we're going to even go to HGH Highs Gaming Club. The Battle Pugs staking platform beta is live. Your guide to rewards and fun. Here is that article linked down below if you want to check that out. But definitely comment down below if you plan, or if you already are staking your pugs, and what you think the reward is for staking and being a part of this type of community. but also starting here, private coin sale is sold out. 80% of the public pre-sale has been purchased, 2 days left. So seeing the sales open, I believe when you see this post that most of this will be sold out by like you just mentioned, for the Pugs NFT. So this was posted on January 30th of 2024. So just a little bit, just information, just seeing that how this whole project is going. Just want to keep up with everyone with all the partnerships with Theta Network. Going on to a little bit something more fun, that these rewards are already taken. I feel like it's just nice showing that for those who are not too aware about Theta Drop VIP, saying take a look at the digital collectible packs and physical redeemables now available on the VIP shard shop. So if you are bronze, silver, gold, you're going to get certain VIP rewards and shards, and then based on these images you can redeem them. And there looks like most of these already, or actually all of these are already basically gone. So the packs, these jackets are already gone, but just showing you guys that it's nice to still be part of the VIP status, getting rewarded for it, and just showing that Theta is trying to do their best for rewarding those VIP members. I still feel like there's more to come. I did mention the Golden Knights in a previous video, so I feel like that's a nice touch. Hopefully these type of VIP benefits will be continued and it's not a one and done type of thing. That is all I really have for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for coming back to the channel. If you're an OG viewer and subscriber, if you're a new viewer, definitely please hit that like and subscribe button, especially if you're trying to find as much Theta news, updates, NFTs, or any kind of Theta partnerships. Really looking forward to seeing you guys in the next one. Definitely check out that Imagine Replay referral link down below if you're trying to earn as much TNT20 token, especially on the Theta blockchain. In addition to my Theta Guardian summary page, if you're trying to stake as much Theta tokens, help out the network, help out the community, help out my channel, and earn as much T-Fuel as possible for yourself and seeing everything else grow all together. Hopefully the journey will pay off. I'm really looking forward to the next Theta video. But until then, it is your boy Justin Passetti, so try to keep up. Hi, deuces.